Do you also have a confusion about law of attraction? Do you also feel doubt that does it work or not? Do you also have multiple question, multiple doubts, multiple unnecessary question that does it really work? But today, let me tell you, I would like to unveil the secret of law of attraction and manifestation. Yeah, you have heard right. Why? Because if you don't know what is the science behind manifestation, so you will use it wrong way. When you will use it wrong way, so more or less you will attract wrong result in your life, right? So today I would like to tell you that how and why law of attraction work, and how and why you can manifest your desired goal. So first let me introduce myself to you. I'm Surya, motivational speaker, law of attraction coach, and Hooponopono healer. And my today topic is how can you match your vibrational frequency to your desired frequency? How can you match your vibrational frequency to your desired goal? So today I would like to tell you that how law of attraction really work, and why most people are failed to use the law of attraction, or most people are failed to manifest their desired goal. Because most people really don't know that how law of attraction work. Most people think that if I'm so excited, if I'm so conscious, if I'm so aware about my goal, about my dreams and vision, then my vision and goal will start attracting to me. But let me tell you, whatever you are thinking, I don't know how and why you are thinking like this, but let me tell you, this is really 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 wrong thinking. And by this thought and by this ideas, or by this mindset, you can never attract your desired goal. But one thing I would like to tell you, that you can attract, but you can't attract your desired goal. You can attract opposite of your desired goal, right? So today I would like to tell you that how does vibration work, and what do you need to do. Do you know about the third rule, or third science behind law of attraction? Third science says that like attract like. Did you hear about it? Like attract like. If I'm so excited, I have a question. Is my dream excited? I'm so passionate. Is my dream passionate? So if you really don't know what is the vibrational match of my dream to my frequency, how can I attract? Did you ever try to think about it? Because already so many law of attraction coach has already told you that what you want you don't attract, you what you are you attract. It means what you want you don't attract. If you want car, you can't attract the car. Why? Because you don't have that car frequency. Why? Because I have already told you that like attract like. What I am, the so I am attracting. If I am a wrong people, more or less I will attract wrong people. If I am a right people, more or less I will attract right people, right ideas, right job, and right everything. So people really don't understand the concept. People really don't want to understand the science behind attraction, science behind manifestation, but they are only saying that manifestation does not work. It is just a, it is just a statement. It doesn't work. Did you get my point? I just want to say that if you want to attract the job, if you want to attract life partner, if you want to attract whatever you want to attract in your life, it is up to you, because it is your dream. It's not my dream. Whatever you want to attract in your life, I have a question. Do you really have that vibration? Do you really have that kinds of frequency, that kinds of matching frequency? What is the frequency? First, you have to understand. Suppose you want to attract a job. Do you feel the same way as your job is? Do you think the same way as your job is? Do you believe at the same way as your job is? Do you take an action? No. If you don't create your frequency, your job frequency, and you say that if I read affirmation, then affirmation will create result into my life, so don't you think that you are just wasting your time? Don't you think that you are making yourself fool? You are wasting your time, energy, and everything. Somewhere you also, somewhere you also losing your beliefs that law of attraction does not work. So this is the basic concept you have to understand. What I am, the same thing I will attract. Because manifestation is not the things which you have to do forcefully. Manifestation is happens automatically, because it has already told. Manifestation is happen automatically. And how does it happen? When I am the same things, yeah, same feeling, thought, and belief and action, the way my goal is, I will definitely attract. because universe work effortlessly. Universe does not work forcefully. You have to understand it. If you don't understand it completely, let me tell you, your entire effort, your entire knowledge, your entire technique and planning and all the things will never work, will never work. So you have to understand, because most law of attraction coach made it limited. They create some significant and specifically technique that if you use this technique, law of attraction is gonna work. No, don't believe such types of things, because such types of things were not working, are not working, will not be working. So you have to be very conscious, you have to be very careful, and also you have to understand that like attracts like. If I'm a good people, then only I can attract good people. If I'm a, if I deserve the job, then only I attract the job. If I deserve money, then only I attract money. If I have already blocked everything, and I read affirmation, I do all the visualization, imaginations, and I drink water bottle technique, and I do all the things, do you think that, are you able to attract your job, desired job? Are you able to attract your dream, your vision? No, it is not possible. So first, whatever you want to attract, feel like that, think like that, believe like that, and act like that. It means you don't have to work outside of word, you have to work inside of work. What is the inside of work? Head to heart. If you manage these two things, head to heart, you can attract your any goal at any point of time, because there is no need a time. Attraction will happen automatically, effortlessly, at any time. So this is the right thing you have to do, and you will definitely go and attract your dream. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is watchable, if you think this video is useful, so you can share with your friend, so that your friend can also watch it, your friend can also learn something, they can also use the law of attraction, they can attract their desired result. So don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. Thank you so much.